gentlemen, the William Rodgers Band.
The sky went on forever. I dumbed the day woo in the heather, seeking pleasure in some forest fire clearing, some breadcrumb trail miles from the morning when. Imagine my surprise when she began to materialize with a black crow on her shoulder. Her lips were red with brambleberry juice. We went running through a landscape with witches on. Cut to 2 weeks later, two faces bobbed up from the water, making headlines on a slow, somber news day, a slow and rainy Tuesday afternoon. The Missing Persons Bureau, the Detective Inspector and the FLO asked the neighborhood watch to stay watchful. The good Lord to keep his fingers crossed. We went running through a landscape with witches and moss. So home from our adventures, two dogs have roosted in the rafters, and they coo you to sleep most every evening as I lie soundlessly awake. And as is the truth we're after, I miss your sweetly silent laughter. But when you found your words like always and forever, always seems a day too long. These Polaroids of crumbling purple heather, it's not enough to build a world upon. Still, we'll always have the landscape to run, we run.
Thank you. Good evening. I'm William Rodgers. This is my band. This is a song about the lonely and nocturnal pursuit of digging in fields. It's called Dig It.
I find release, and I dig it. Sometimes I am amazed at the riches that I find. Dig, 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 dig. Other times I stand appalled at the emptiness inside. Dig, 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 dig. Sometimes I am amazed at the riches that I find. Dig, 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 dig. Other times I stand appalled at the emptiness inside. Dig it!
Thank you.
From a song about digging to a song about ploughing, there's a sort of rural theme will emerge. Has emerged. This is called Turning the Plough. At the top of my tree I can breathe, let the winds encircle me, the chainsaw limp by my side. I look out into the field where her body was concealed, where her body was defiled. Shimmering light on the sheaves, but nobody would believe what I stubbed with my toe. In the springtime of the year, dark waters running clear, winter's backlog of bone. But what if I took my concern to the station? Terry, what took you so long? What if somebody has lit on my secret, turning the plough? Mother and their friend the priest pray for the souls of the deceased. They wander around the frozen aisles, or shiver on the library step, collecting pennies to erect a monument to a life. At the top of my tree I can see a town smothered up in weeds. I cleared back what's overgrown. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, I'm entangled in a lie that's not my own. What if I took my concern to the station? Terry, what took you so long? What if somebody has lit on my secret? What if I took my concern to the station? Terry, what took you so long? What if somebody has lit on my secret? Thank you. In a change of programming, which means nothing to you but something to them, this next song is called Eden.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
The child is father to the man. He thumps him with a leather hand. Some days you just follow the script of the lessons that you learned and the ones you skipped. Tears in the brambles, down in the trees, we trespassed in Eden with bloody knees. And I told you we would never get caught, and left you with fruit juice down your shorts. I see someone watching over me. I see someone watching over me. Sunday, I'm gathering dust, just watching the neighbors omnibus. And I guess you will be home from church, playing with Jamie and Johnny Birch. I see someone watching over me. I see someone watching over me.
Thank you.
The dog days came in a blaze of heat. We sat on the rock with our feet in the warm blue ocean. The day was sweet. I awake with a start and the air hangs heavy, stinking of sweat and factor 50 lotion. Now I don't want you to see me like this. I don't want you to treat me like this. I don't want you to see the weakness that's smudging my birthday mascara. Tell me, are we still on? Tell me, are we still on? Now I'm tired of this body and all of its twitches. I want a blue sky with no black cloud and pinches. Is that so much to ask? Because the cops came around and they're still in the kitchen looking for a boy who just about fits your description. They're telling me you shouldn't treat me like this, but I don't want you are we heading for the sky? Or will life start again at 65? Tell me, are we still on? 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 Thank you. This next song is about wanting to disappear or not be seen, which is a curious thing to perform in front of people. But it's more about other situations, really. I don't mind this one. It's called Not to Be Seen. Oh, I started, don't I?
Yeah.
Back when I was green, I hid among the nettles so as not to be seen. Then in shirt and tie, my friends were fooling around me, but I just lay on the green. I didn't wanna be seen, and nothing's really changed. Just the other day, when you were drawing me, I just wanted to disappear. Well, stone the crows, this wallflower that I used to know, just made the grave. She's a boxing heavyweight, and it gives me hope. A cake can learn the rope, but oh, why can't I be seen to catch your eye? So much more can change. I can see the day when you are drawing me. I won't want just to disappear. We're going to take a short break, so please buy drinks and records. Can they buy records?
Yeah,
Yeah.
They buy your records.
Oh yeah, also, yeah, please buy my records. And also these lovely tea towels. We'll be back shortly. Hi, we're going to crack on with the title track from the new album. It's called Pond Life. Pond life is the crushed green velvet of a duck's neck. It's the doggy life careering round its silvery edge. When you least expect it, that is pond life. Pond life. We got front row seats to the show tonight. When the geese start up their barking, it's a terrible sight. Don't be frightened
burned down the boathouse. You can still see the stain where they doused it in flames, then gathered their wings on perilous strings, then hid in the leaves like spies. Hush, little baby, it's all part of pond life. Pond life. Pond life. Pond life. Pond life is the soft electric purring from the roadside when the water snakes go wriggling in that fireside light. Don't be frightened, it's just pond life. Pond life. Pond life. Pond life.
Thank you.
I've got no story for this one. This is called Love and Paperwork. First you are in flames, then you get frightened by the rustling in the grate. You build yourself a fortress, none can penetrate. Nail it down with a mortgage and a special date. I'm sleeping on your floor. Thought I'd dodge that bullet till I fell through your door. I must have still been blind drunk from the night you took my paw. Seems I want a piece of that pretty world of yours. Your head is on my shoulder, your lips are far away, and it's making me shiver. When the string snaps, you'll get back to your endless wrangling of duty and pleasure, love and paperwork, love and paperwork, love and paperwork, love and paperwork. So we put the past on ice, and I try to catch your drift across this papery sky. And any moment one of us can tear that veil aside, but now outside, I guess you'll stay inside. And you go back to him. I make a beeline for the mirror again. Or maybe I belong here, just studying the lids that hold these reckless hopes till they reach the brim. But still I wanna hold you, protect you from this life. Really, what did I expect? I know I'll never save you from your endless wrangling of duty and pleasure, love and paperwork, Thank you. See them spell in the goose grass. Cowboys skating over shattered glass. Wait for the fever to pass. Wolverhampton sizzling like a hanging rock. Wild bees bursting with electric shocks. You get an F in hard knocks. You are the thief in odd socks. And God, it feels endless, but one of these days I'm gonna smash all the chords. Now the school bell shudders, your palms are wet. Keep it cool in this hot glass. You break and sweat, see how the old folks forget. Lengthening shadows on the playing field. Talking while lightning, but not a feel. It barely feels real. Jesus, it barely feels real. For 90 years he wandered from dream to dream, but the longer that it went on, the less it seemed to have a meaning he could glean. Now 20 years have passed, I'm young at last, but before I pin my colours to your mast, I wanna know it won't collapse. I wanna tear off every wrap. And God, it feels empty, but one of these days I'm gonna burn all the maps. La 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 Thank you. That was called Hot House, and it was, I would like to think it's one of the only songs where the first word is semen. I don't know for sure. I don't. It's a medical term.
thoughts in order. But there's a wolf moon rising just around the corner. A wolf moon rising just around the corner. And I'm shining so bright. House, I feel myself unravel, watching true survivors scoot across the gravel. I am bereft, possessed, beleaguered and bedazzled, 'cause there's a wolf moon taking pieces from the puzzle. A wolf moon taking pieces from the puzzle. And I'm shining so bright. I got blown by the wind halfway up the beacon. Saw a sheep's skull gleaming bright against the bracken. I saw a wolf moon pacing around the region. Now I know we made plans to meet up at the weekend. But there's a wolf moon tugging at the edge of my reason. A wolf moon tugging at the edge of my reason. A wolf moon tugging at the edge of my reason. A wolf moon. And I'm shining so bright. Springtime, I'm lying in a lay-by, watching the crow fly into the sunrise. Later, walk in a straight line into the water. Your whole soul shivers with a strange delight. It's so peaceful here, out on a limb. It's so peaceful here in the swim. It's so peaceful here, out on a limb. It's so peaceful here in the swim. Come on in, the water is freezing. Magpie and starling go bombing and wheeling. An aeroplane floats like a seedling out to the island. When something or nothing or everything stops, it's so peaceful here, out on a limb. It's so peaceful here in the swim. It's so peaceful here, out on a limb. It's so peaceful here in the swim.
Thank you.
I'm going to do one song on my own, so can we have a massive round of applause for Piero Renarco, Oliver Piper, and Hamish Campbell-Legg. When is Record Store Day? 12th of April. This is a sort of song for that. It's called Let's Go Shopping. Let's go shopping, you and I, on a gloomy afternoon in the summertime. Let's go shopping till it's dark, then pour over our purchases in the car park.
'cause you never know what you could find there among the racks. You tell Pete, I'll tell Sean, then we'll reel around the bull ring till we're overdrawn. Let's go shopping, now we're flush. Let's go shopping just because. Sunday swimming in the pool. We talk about the good life in the changing rooms. Let's get coffee, let's get lunch. 'Cause I know this place on Comoro, I think we went there once. With my hair wet and my arms full, I felt light at last. With a friend and an overdraft, a beer and a couple of laughs. Did you think I would joke you around about something like that? No, I wanna stay with you here in the checkout queue. Let's go shopping, now we're flush. Let's go shopping just because. Let's go shopping, you and I. Let's go shopping till we die.
Thank you very much. Thanks so much for listening. Have a lovely evening.